Your doors are more than just functional entry points. They're design elements that set the tone for your entire home. In Rockford, where homes range from historic builds to modern designs, the right door can make a powerful statement about your style while boosting curb appeal. A custom door installation allows you to go beyond standard designs and choose a door that perfectly reflects your personality and complements your home's architecture. Let's explore how custom doors transform the aesthetics of Rockford residences. A first impression that lasts. Your front door is one of the first things visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. A generic door may serve its purpose, but a custom design instantly sets your home apart. Bold colors and finishes make your entrance pop and draw the eye. Unique designs or decorative glass inserts add elegance and charm. Personalized hardware choices like handles, hinges, and knockers bring your vision to life. In Rockford's neighborhoods, a well-designed custom door can become the signature feature that gives your home undeniable character. Blending with architectural style, every home has a unique architectural style, and custom doors allow you to highlight that design rather than detract from it. Historic homes in Rockford benefit from custom wood doors that preserve traditional charm while adding modern durability. Contemporary homes pair beautifully with sleek fiberglass or steel doors in minimalist designs. Transitional styles can incorporate decorative glass or paneling that bridges classic and modern looks. By working with a professional installer, you can design a door that feels like a natural extension of your home's architecture. Enhancing curb appeal. Curb appeal is a major factor in how others perceive your home and can even influence resale value. A custom door installation instantly refreshes your home's exterior and creates a polished look. Symmetry and proportion are ensured with a properly designed and installed custom door. Eye-catching details like sidelights, transoms, or unique shapes make your entryway more inviting. Complementary design choices ensure the door aligns with exterior elements such as siding, landscaping, and roofing. In a city like Rockford, where homeowners take pride in their properties, curb appeal isn't just a bonus, it's a point of pride. Personalization and unique expression. A custom door is an opportunity to express your style and make your home truly your own. Love modern minimalism? Choose clean lines and matte finishes. Prefer traditional elegance? Opt for rich wood tones and classic paneling. Want a touch of artistry? Incorporate stained or etched glass designs. Unlike mass-produced doors, custom options let you control every detail, from materials to finishes, ensuring your home reflects your personal taste. Interior aesthetic flow. The impact of a custom door doesn't stop at the curb, it also affects how your interiors feel. Entry doors designed with glass panels let natural light brighten foyers and hallways. Interior doors tailored to your decor create a cohesive flow from one room to the next. Sliding or French doors can open up living spaces, making rooms feel larger and more connected. The right door design enhances both the exterior and interior atmosphere of your Rockford home. Value beyond aesthetics. While aesthetics are a primary benefit, custom doors bring additional advantages that matter to homeowners: improved insulation and energy efficiency. Increased security with reinforced materials and advanced locks. Durability tailored to Rockford's seasonal weather changes. These functional benefits support the beauty of your custom design, giving you the best of both form and function. Final thoughts. In Rockford, where every home tells a story, a custom door installation is a powerful way to showcase your style, enhance curb appeal, and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Whether you prefer classic elegance, bold modern designs, or a balance of both, the right custom door transforms your home's look inside and out. For homeowners ready to elevate their Rockford property, investing in a custom door isn't just about entryways. It's about making a statement that lasts for years to come.